is Singh and today I am going to teach you an interesting activity. Oh Gurnam, what are you doing? Shh, don't disturb me. Tell me Gurnam Singh if you need any help. Actually I am searching the method to convert photo negative to a real photograph. Gurnam Singh, just close the book. I tell you, through a simple and sophisticated way. In this activity you need a PC, camera, a data cable, Photoshop, last but not the least a negative.
Step 1. Take the perfect picture of a negative. Thank you.
Good.
Sir, can you please give me your phone?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
In second step, transfer the image to the PC.
To transfer the image, connect the phone to the PC. Now this is our file. I have to open it in the Photoshop. Once opened, do the basic crop operation for a finished output. Now go to image and adjustment and click invert. Now again go to image and adjustment and curves. Now change the color curves individually and vary them according to the requirement. First change the red curve, then green, and blue in the last. You can also increase the brightness and contrast. And now auto tone, auto contrast, auto color. These are very important to click on. Finally, our image is ready. For the output, click Save As and give a new name to it.
Now take the printout of the image.
Thanks for watching the activity. Please subscribe the channel.